That's in there blasting. He's just done. Harrison just showed up, putting all this in the car. Porter's cleaning up the area, fab area, so that we can get going on the Fiesta. Jimmy's car out front with the cage done. Working on Harrison's WRX, doing front control arm replacement, axle replacement, now an axle boot replacement, ball joints, steering rack, subframe, coilovers, whole bunch of stuff. So let me show you what happened here. So we were trying to get the ball joint out on this side. We had a aluminum shield in there, and we oopsed on the aluminum shield. It got a little hot, and we touched the boot, so we melted the boot. So now we got to reboot that. That's an original axle from this car. It's an 02 WRX, but that's control arms are beaten out at this point. New control arms and new stuff is over there. That's the pile of rust and dirt that has come off the car, and broken bolts, broken nuts. Obviously we took the U-frame down, so the U-frame's all out of there. A lot of that is from the U-frame. But yeah, now we're working on taking the universal joint out, and we're going to do the lines, and then we're going to basically hook up the motor from the top, loosen the motor mounts, drop the whole subframe with the sway bar and the steering rack and everything on it, because we are swapping to a completely new steering rack. We're doing an 05 STI steering rack, so we're changing the subframe from the 02 to the 05 style subframe. Plus we're doing an STI linkage, which is why we're pulling the linkage out there. We're doing group end motor mounts. There's the brand new axle. We're doing the control arm recall, so we're just doing steel arms now because factory aluminum arm upgrade was still on back order. And yeah, oh yeah, and Fortune Auto coilovers. Fortune Autos, yeah. If you like what you see, like, share, subscribe. I think that's what they say. And if you can, comment. We'd love to interact with our fans, our customers. You know, it's pouring outside. But yeah, hit the like button, hit the share, subscribe, get it to your friends. Let's get this stuff around.